Today I did some work on the side burner today. As you can see, I have the original side burner back in place. That looked good because it's not bad. I did a lot of work to it today. You see what I did is I put that piece of metal in there. That I bought that at the hardware store today, because that's like sheet metal. I mean that's like, I don't know, probably about a 1/4 inch thick. I worked on it for a little while. Underneath, I did some work underneath there. You can tell if I look what I did underneath there. All that work I did. Oh yeah, I did some work on it. Yeah, I did a lot of work to it. Although the pool's already open. We are getting a pool heater hooked up to our swimming pool. We paid about $2,200. My mom paid for it. My Uncle Tom's gonna come out and hook it up. Alright, let's do some. Let's see how I think he's gonna do it. I think he knows what he's doing. You get to. Oh yeah. Alright, let's see. This is the yellow line. How far she go? I guess. I'm glad I worked on the grill. I mean, I did, let's see, last couple of days ago when I did all that work on the grill. I mean, I did a lot of work to it. I got another sheet of metal I want to put in there. Because what I want to do is probably, because I have a sheet of metal I want to use. Windy out here, but not too bad. Where's that piece of metal at? Here it is. Right here. This is what I bought. This is like good. This is good stainless steel, man. That's good. Looks pretty good. I need to just trim it down a little bit. I don't know how much I paid for that. See, I'm thinking about mount my air compressor to the. If I have to figure some way to mount it, I have to get some studs, like those type of studs over there, for instance. I have to get probably about a sheet, just lay it right on top of there. Wouldn't be that hard. I have my drill bits I bought today. Those were a fortune. Cost me $20. Plus my angle grinder. I use that too. Actually, I'm going to put it right here, because I'm going to probably move the air compressor like off the ground, make sure it's mounted like on a shelf. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. Yeah. It's a beautiful day outside. I worked on the grill all day. I mean, not the grill. I mean the side burner attachment. I've kind of repaired it. Okay, the other side burner I had, I was not too sure about it. So, yeah, this is the one I was using. That one's way too long. I couldn't use that one. I couldn't use the other side burner because it was too long. So I went back to using my regular size one, and it fits perfectly. I got it set up already, and the JB weld is gonna dry overnight. Then I'll hook the tank back up and try cleaning it some more. I did a lot of cleaning on it yesterday. Okay, I'm done recording.